Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn photo into cartoon in Canva. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'm gonna show you two different ways to turn yourself into a cartoon using Canva. Both methods are completely free and give slightly different results. To get started, open Canva and go to the upload section. From there, upload the photo you want to transform into a cartoon. For the first method, click on your uploaded image so it's selected. Then go to the app section, usually located in the bottom left corner, and search for cartoon. Once the search results appears, select Cartoonify app, then click on accept. Now, just go ahead and click on this Cartoonify image and wait for it. The app will automatically scan the selected photo and generate a cartoon version of it. Make sure the correct image is selected if you have multiple photos in your project. After a few seconds, Canva will create a cartoon-style version of your picture. Just click on Replace Image, and there you have it. For the second method, upload the same image again if needed. Then return to the Apps section and search for Anime. Open the Animify app and select your photo. After that, choose the option to animate or transform the image. Canva will then generate another cartoon-style version, but this time with a more anime-inspired appearance. The result will look different from the Cartoonify version, giving you another creative style to choose from. These are two simple and free ways to turn yourself into a cartoon inside Canva using built-in apps and tools. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn photo into cartoon in Canva. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.